Selena, Class 10, Chapter 21, Trigonometrical Identities. Exercise 21b, sum number 1, part 1. Left hand side is equal to cos A upon 1 minus tan A plus sin A upon 1 minus cot A. Tan A is sin A upon cos A. Cot A is cos A upon sin A. Equal to cos A upon 1 minus sin A upon cos A plus sin A upon 1 minus cos A upon sin A. Multiply and divide by cos A. Multiply and divide by sin A. We get cos A equal to cos A minus sin A upon cos A plus sin A upon sin A minus cos A upon sin A. Cos A into cos A, cos square A, sin A into sin A, sin square A, cos square A upon cos A minus sin A plus sin square A upon sin A minus cos A. Here it is cos A minus sin A, here it is sin A minus cos A. So we will multiply by minus sign this term. So we will get minus sin square A upon cos A minus sin A. Denominator is same, therefore cos A minus sin A, and your numerator will be cos square A minus sin square A. Okay, A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. So cos A minus sin A into cos A plus sin A upon cos A minus sin A. Cos A minus sin A cancel each other, remains sin A plus cos A equal to right hand side. Sum number 2. Left hand side is equal to cos cube A plus sin cube A upon cos A plus sin A plus cos cube A minus sin cube A upon cos A minus sin A. Therefore, LCM will be cos A plus sin A into cos A minus sin A, which is cos square A minus sin square A. So, multiply this term, cos cube A plus sin cube A into cos A minus sin A plus cos cube A minus sin cube A into cos A plus sin A upon cos square A minus sin square A. Open the bracket. Cos cube A into cos A, cos raised to 4A, cos cube A into minus sin A is minus cos cube A sin A. Sin cube A into cos A is plus sin cube A cos. Sin cube A minus into minus sin A is minus sin raised to 4A upon, same way open this bracket, cos raised to 4A minus sin cube A cos A plus cos cube A sin A minus sin raised to 4A upon cos square A minus sin square A. Minus cos cube A sin A and plus cos cube A sin A cancel each other. Sin cube A cos A minus sin cube A cos A cancel each other. Remains cos raised to 4 plus cos raised to 4. So 2 cos raised to 4 minus 2 sin raised to 4. So 2 is common. So 2 cos raised to 4 minus sin raised to 4 upon cos square A minus sin square A. This will be A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. Therefore, cos square A plus sin square A into cos square A minus sin square A upon cos square A minus sin square A. These two terms cancel each other. Remains 2 into cos square A plus sin square A. Cos square A sin square A is 1. Therefore, 2 into 1, 2 equal to right hand side. Part 3. Left hand side is equal to tan A upon 1 minus cot A plus cot A upon 1 minus tan A. What cot A is 1 upon tan A. So instead of cot A, we will write 1 upon tan A equal to tan A upon 1 minus tan A plus 1 upon tan A upon 1 minus tan A. Okay. Multiply and divide this term by tan A. So tan A minus 1 upon tan A. Tan A into tan A, tan square A upon tan A minus 1 plus 1 upon, take this term down, tan A into 1 minus tan A. Multiply by minus on both the sides. So this will become minus 1 upon tan A into tan A minus 1. LCM of the denominator will be tan A into tan A minus 1. Therefore, multiply and divide this term by tan A. So, this is tan cube A and minus 1 upon tan A into tan A minus 1. A cube minus 1 is A minus 1 into A square plus B square plus AB. So, tan A minus 1 into tan square A plus 1 into tan A upon tan A into tan A minus 1. Tan A minus 1 cancel each other. Tan square A plus 1 is sec square A. Sec square A plus tan A upon tan A, which is equal to sec square A upon tan A plus tan A upon tan A, which is 1. Sec square 1 upon cos square A, tan sin A upon cos A. Therefore, cos A get cancel each other, equal to 1 upon sin A into cos A plus 1. 1 upon sin A is cosec A, 1 upon cos A is sec A. So, sec A into cosec A plus 1 equal to right hand side. Fourth part, left hand side is equal to tan A plus 1 upon cos A the whole square plus tan A minus 1 upon cos A the whole square. Okay, tan A is sin A upon cos A, sin A upon cos A. So, LCM is cos A. So, cos A sin A plus 1 the whole upon cos A the whole square, sin A minus 1 upon cos A the whole square. Open the bracket. Sin square A plus 1 plus 2 sin A, sin square A plus 1 minus 2 sin A upon cos square A. Plus 2 sin A minus 2 sin A cancel each other. 2 sin square A plus 2 upon cos square A. 2 is common, so 2, 1 plus sin square A. Cos square A is 1 minus sin square A equal to right hand side. Fifth part, left hand side is equal to 2 sin square A plus cos raised to 4A. Cos raised to 4A is 1 minus sin square A the whole square. Okay, so equal to 2 sin square A plus 1 minus sin square A the whole square. Open the bracket. 2 sin square A plus 1 plus sin raised to 4A minus 2 sin square A. Plus 2 sin square A minus 2 sin square A cancel each other, remains equal to 1 plus sin raised to 4A equal to right hand side. Sixth part, left hand side is equal to sin A minus sin B upon cos A plus cos B plus cos A minus cos B upon sin A plus sin B. LCM is cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. Multiply this term by sin A plus sin B, multiply this term by cos A plus cos B. We get sin A into sin A, sin square A minus sin A minus B into A plus B is A square minus B square equal to sin square A minus sin square B. A minus B into A plus B. So, cos square A minus cos square B upon cos square A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. Sin square A plus cos square A minus sin common, sin square B plus cos square B upon cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. This is sin square A 1 minus 1 upon cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. 1 minus 1 is 0 equal to right hand side. Seventh part, left hand side is equal to cos sec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A. Cos sec A is 1 upon sin A, sec A is 1 upon cos A equal to 1 upon sin A minus sin A into 1 upon cos A minus cos A. Here LCM is sin A, so multiply and divide by sin A, multiply and divide. Here LCM is cos A, multiply and divide by cos A. We get 1 minus sin square A upon sin A into 1 minus cos square A upon cos A. 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. 1 minus cos square A is sin square A, equal to cos square A upon sin A into sin square A upon cos A. Cos cancel one cos cancel each other, one sin A cancel each other, remains sin A into cos A. Right hand side equal to 1 upon tan A plus cot A. Tan A is sin A upon cos A, cot A is cos A upon sin A. We get 1 upon sin A upon cos A plus cos A upon sin A. LCM of this term is cos A into sin A. So multiply this term by sin A and multiply and divide this term by cos A. We get sin square A upon sin A cos A, cos square A upon sin A cos A, which is equals to sin square A plus cos square A upon sin A cos A, which you can write on the numerator sin A cos A upon sin square A plus cos square A, which is 1. So equal to sin A into cos A, which is equal to left hand side is equal to right hand side. 8th part, left hand side is equal to 1 plus tan A into tan B the whole square plus tan A minus tan B the whole square. Open the bracket. 1 plus tan square A into tan square B plus 2 tan A tan B. Open this bracket. Tan square A plus tan square B minus 2 tan A tan B. Okay. Plus 2 tan A tan B minus 2 tan A tan B cancel each other. Remains 1 plus tan square A plus tan square B into tan square A into tan square B. 1 plus tan square A is sec square A. Here tan square B is common. Remains 1 plus tan square A equal to sec square A plus tan square B into 1 plus tan square A. Again 1 plus tan square A is sec square A equal to sec square A plus tan square B into sec square A. In these two terms sec square A is common into 1 plus tan square B, which is sec square B, equal to sec square A into sec square B, equal to right hand side. Sum number 9, part 9, left hand side is equal to 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1 plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A plus 1. A minus B into A plus B is LCM will be A square minus B square. Cos A plus sin A the whole square minus 1 square 1. Therefore this term multiply by cos A plus sin A plus 1, multiply and divide this term by cos A plus sin A minus 1 upon cos A plus sin A square minus 1. Okay, plus 1 minus 1 cancel each other. 2 cos A plus 2 sin A. 2 is common, so 2 cos A 2 into cos A plus sin A upon, open this bracket, cos square A plus sin square A plus 2 cos A sin A minus 1. Cos square A sin square A is 1. 1 minus 1 will be here 1 plus, so this will be plus 2 cos A sin into sin A minus 1, and numerator will be 2 into cos A plus sin A. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 is common, so 2 will get cancelled. Remains cos A plus sin A upon cos A into sin A equal to cos A upon cos A into sin A plus sin A upon cos A into sin A. Cos cancel each other, sin cancel each other. We get 1 upon sin A plus 1 upon cos A. 1 upon sin A is cosec A, 1 upon cos A is sec A, equal to cosec A plus sec A, equal to right hand side.